Guys, we got a potential honker. Jinx.
I don't care.
Okay,
You
guys.
owe me a coconut.
No. Okay.
Jinx, you owe me a coconut.
Guys, let's see if this car will honk. Okay, let's start.
Let's see, guys.
Start honking. Keep doing it. Keep doing it.
Let's see.
Oh.
Looked at us with a weird face. Bring it back when we have another potential customer. Oh.
Hey guys, we got a potential
guys, we
honker.
got a potential one. Honk, honk, honk. There are 4 drivers. Yeah!
Woo!
There are 8. There you.
Okay, guys, come back when there's a potential
We're gonna go
honker.
into
Guys, we got a potential honker.
Potential honker. GMC driver. Yeah!
Yay!
9. Okay,
Another potential honker.
one more. We got one more potential honker. Come on! Ford! Dude, that guy was going too fast.
Guys, we'll come back when there's a potential
Bring it
honker.
back when we got...
We got a potential honker, but they might not be coming.
Okay, bring it back when they get closer.
Okay, guys, they're really close.
Guys, they're
Let's
really
start.
close. It might not be turning.
Okay.
Come on! Yeah!
Whoa, 10th one!
Yeah, you're the 10th one!
Woo!
Oh, we
got another one!
11.
What?
I thought that's what you had a man
Okay, guys, I'll take it. Oh, there's actually someone coming.
Actually, someone's
for. I thought that's
down
what you had a
there.
man for.
Okay,
Yeah, man.
gotta make sure they're not turning.
Tell them to come home.
Oh, they're not turning.
Okay, guys, start.
We're honking. Honk with us, guys.
Ah, they didn't even look at us. Oh no.
Guys.
Okay, guys, we'll come back when there's a potential honker.
You
Guys,
want
when
me
we
to
see
have
cars,
potential?
can you do that too to honk too with us? Guys, we got a potential
Guys,
honker.
You can see down there. There's a
Make sure you
potential
honk with us.
Bring it back when they get closer. Make sure you honk and do that signal with us.
Oh, guys, they're not
Okay,
coming
guys.
this way.
Oh, never mind.
Guys, we got a potential honker.
Potential one. Be ready to do your to-dos.
Yeah, get ready.
to do the hands. Be ready. Be ready, guys.
Okay, 3,
Bring it back when they get closer.
2,
Actually, guys. Are
1.
they turning?
Oh, they're turning, guys.
Ah, too bad, guys. Bring it back when we got.
Wait a minute. What are they doing?
Oh, they're turning.
Ah.
Bring it back when we got a potential honker.
Okay. Hey, guys, we got another honker that could be coming.
Potential honker.
Potential hunger. And another one. Okay, do it with us. Oh, okay, this other guy's coming. He didn't do it, so let's see. Honk with us, honk with
This
us.
house freaked them. Okay, guys, we can do it. We can do it. We're gonna do it.
Oh.
And guys, I know the reason why they're not honking. You're not hitting that subscriber link, and you're not also helping us honk.
Oh, yeah.
So do those.
Oh, there's another potential honker,
I
guys.
think that will also help. So
Yeah,
do
please
that
help with us.
and get this video viral. Then more people will honk, and we'll do more videos.
Okay, guys. Okay, this is a potential honker.
See ya, guys, when they get closer.
Honk with us, guys.
Honk with us, guys. They're almost there. Honk with us. Honk. Start honking. Like and subscribe. Honk.
Oh.
Dude,
They're like, what?
dude, not enough people are doing those 3 things. Subscribe, like, and do that honk. that.
Guys, I think we have another potential honker.
We might.
We have 2.
We might have 2.
Oh, we have 3. We have 4.
4.
Guys, let's see. Honk with us.
Hey! Dude did the symbol. She did the symbol to tell you guys to honk. Hey!
Okay.
Okay, we have
That was
another
weird.
one.
Okay.
This is 3.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. We're gonna, oh,
Okay, so we got another
one.
one. Okay, guys, do it with us. Do it with us. 3 of them. There's more.
Yo,
Woo!
subscribe!
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe!
Woo!
Yeah! It's because all of you guys are liking, subscribing, and doing that honk with
Oh
us.
my God, we got another one.
Another one. And she's a she's a truck driver, so
That might be my mom. I don't know.
that might be his mom.
Okay. Get ready, guys. Honk with us. Okay.
Someone. Yeah, that's him. Try to get them. Do it. Do the honk.
Ah. Okay.
15.
Oh, we got a car. We got a car. Honk.
What did she say? She said you guys gotta subscribe and do it, cause that's why you guys unsubscribed and didn't like it. You gotta do those two things: subscribe
Yeah.
and like, and do the two symbol with us.
Yeah. Okay.
So
We'll come back once we see other people.
bye.
Guys, we got another
Other
potential
video,
honker.
Like, subscribe, and do this.
Do the
symbol
2-2
with
symbol.
us. Hope this guy doesn't. No, they didn't
Uh-huh.
see us. So, bring it guys back when someone's passing through. Look at the other video. If you didn't watch that one yet, watch it before. Then watch this one. See guys, when that's
Yeah. We got a potential honker. Do it with us.
potential hunter. Okay guys, I have because the guys are doing it all.
Yeah.
Do it more, so then they keep honking. See guys, when we have another potential honker. Hey,
Yeah.
Another potential
Yeah, another potential honker.
honker.
Let's do it.
Let's see. Do it with us, guys.
Woo!
Guys, bring it back. Tell you guys another one.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna hold my phone right here. You guys can. Oh, we got another potential honker. Woo! Okay, guys, I'm gonna hold this right here. You can watch.
Oh, yeah. You watch it.
Dude, we might have one of the bigger trucks. Never mind. We almost had a FedEx.
That was my goal.
Okay, guys.
I got to.
Okay, guys.
I'll listen to Volvo. I'll sit and listen.
That was my goal.
You can sit in this. We'll just fucking.
They'll be sitting in the house like a.
That'll be the other one every morning. Next thing he's gonna tell you, you gotta have a ham radio on the roof.
Yeah.
And a big old base station in the kitchen.
There's gotta be a 300-foot tower in the backyard with guy wires. I know, right? You leave me at home.
Yeah, you listen to that too long.
Leave that asshole at
Talking about the
home.
good old days before you made all these dumb decisions.
See, the good old days before that came over and started talking, we had money.
He used to.
Now we got this fucking pipe lights and damn air hose.
We got
It got nothing to do
air
with it.
and a new shop vac.
It hurt my finger.
Well, sometimes to get what you want, it takes a little pain.
Okay, guys, I'm back to that chair. Can I go on the hoverboard at least?
Ooh,
Can I at least go on the hoverboard?
we got another potential.
Woo! Okay, guys, that's it for today. I'll keep it going with another video. We're gonna make this.
Oh, guys, wait. We have one more we can do.
We have one more, and then we're peacing out.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Make sure they're not turning. Oh, they're not turning. They're potential honkers. Okay, honk with us.
Keep this
Last honk with
going.
us.
Do the honk honk. Last one of
One
the
more
day.
over there. One more. Okay.
This is actually the last one of the day.
Okay. Last one. Do it with us, guys.
Last one of
Was
Bye,
good.
guys.
Peace out.